Dear friends, in this video I'd like to take you to look through one boot2root machine. So by this video, I hope you can get a bit idea what the pen testing would be like. As you know, to improve our skills for the pen testing, we need to get our hands dirty and wet. So the machine I'd like to take is this one. You can download this machine from the Van Hub. Okay, so now, of course, in this video, I will not explain too much. Just to show you the general process of the pen testing. However, most of concepts and techniques will be covered in the later courses. Okay, first of all, we need to discover the IP address of the target. And the utility I'd like to use is netdiscover. As you can see, the IP address could be identified at this one. Next, we need to do the map scanning to save time. I've already done that earlier. As you can see, from here we can tell that the target has 2 open ports. And this one of course, SSH surface, this version doesn't have any vulnerability. So we need to focus on the second one. And we need to do the enumeration first. So now we can open up our browser to do the manual enumeration first. Yeah, we got this page. Username and password. Welcome back. And we can check the source code. This case, we didn't find anything important. And then we can try to use the admin and admin as password to log in. Failed, and then let's go back. And also we can try to use admin and also the login bypass technique. And the password, anything. Login, failed. So next we need to do some more enumeration. For example, we can check whether the target has robots file or not. It does have, okay? And there's several entries. We need to take a look at all of them, right? And the first one is backup. Not found. And the next one is admin. Not found. And the next one is admin area. And we can put in the end. The admin area not work. However, if we check the source code of this page, we got the flag and also the username and password. We can copy such credential and paste in my notebook. So now I think we can log in to the this form. Okay, the username is admin and the password should be this one. A bit complicated password, and now we can log in without problem. Yeah, the site only provides a very limited function, just file upload center. So next we try to upload malicious file, for example, like PHP reverse shell file, and we need to do some modification. Yeah, we need to change the IP address to our Kali Linux and the port number 555. Right and quit. We can get out this file to make sure we have already done properly. Okay, so now we can log in. Not this one. Yeah, this one. Yeah, can browse and upload file. No error. So next we need to, just now we have already know that the robots file has some other entries. We didn't finish yet. Root, we can copy. Not found as well. And uploads. Yeah, not found. And the next one is this one. This time we didn't get the not found error. So I think this directory is existent or is there. And next, maybe we can check the last one before we continue our journey. Yeah, this is the first flag. And now I think just now we have already uploaded the PHP reverse shell file, right? So maybe the uploaded file would be located here. Upload it. And shell. Before we press enter, we need to set up the listener first. Okay, it's done. And then we can press enter. As you can see, we got the collection. And then we need to spawn the bash session. Don't worry, I will explain almost everything in other courses. So just pair with me. Oh, sorry. Okay, Python 2 is not there. Python 3, yeah, Python 3 is there. So it's my bad. Import pty module. Pty spawn. Okay, so now we need to do some local enumeration, right? Are we? Nothing there. And we can do some more local enumeration. We can go to the backups, nothing there. Go to the www directory and go to HTML directory and go to the admin area. Oh, here we got a hint. You know, after all, this is a CTF machine. So there's some hints around left by the author. We can cut out this hint. Yeah, try to find this user password to read this file. Okay, this file has the password for this user. And for now, of course, we don't have the permission yet to read. So now we can find this file, this sensitive file, and we can find by user. The username should be this one. We can copy and paste in here, and then of course should be file rather than directory, and redirect all error to black hole. Press enter. Yeah, I think this should be the file what we are looking for, and we can cut out this file to get the credential. Okay, so the username and password. So then I think we can, sorry about this, and we can copy and switch our shell to another user. Take Roy and paste in here. It does work. And next we need to elevate a privilege, and we need to do some checks. For example, the first check in most cases we need to do is sudo with L option to see whether the current user has sudo privilege. Yeah, it has, and even can run all commands. So the escalation would be very easy. We just run sudo bin bash, and now we have already switched or elevate our privilege to root user. So that's pretty much it about this video. In the next, a video, I'd like to go to some, introduce some basic concepts and techniques from very beginning. So see you there. Bye.